Hi guys, today we're making a cherry cheesecake. So first we need Oreo crumbs, butter, sugar, cream cheese, whipped cream, and of course cherries. So first we add the crumbs in the bowl. We're pouring it in. Then the butter. Then the butter. Oof. Now we have to mix it. Mama. Thank you, Mommy. Okay, we finished mixing it, so now we're putting it in this greased bowl.
You finished?
Oof. It smells so good. Next, we pat it down to make it a layer for the crust. Next, we put it in the fridge to chill. Where do we put it?
I don't know.
Next, we put your baby brother for a nap. Because Declan, before we shoot this part, Declan was making so much noise. Good nap to him. Next, we put the cream cheese in the processor. Next, we add the sugar. My fingers smell like cream cheese. So, adding the sugar. Next, we press knead. Next, we add the whipped cream. Then we knead it again. Now it's all mixed up. We add it to our chill crust. But it smells delicious. Let it chill in the fridge for a couple hours. We'll be back when it's done and it's ready. The cake is all chilled. Now let's put the cherries on. Woo! Let's get the cake. looks good. Even though it still looks the exact same, it looks good. Cherries. Now you got to scoop the cherries. That's a lot. And boop, boop. There's also sauce with it. I like how he tried to sing that. I like how he sang that. This looks good. Oh no, we ran out of cherries. I guess we have to use the blueberries wherever they are. Here. Here. Are they opened? Blueberries. The sauce is good.
You make me happy.
Yay! We're done with the cake. Now it's time to chill it again. Boop. I love it. Time to chill it again. Good thing we got the spot already. Ready again. Still. You didn't put anything in there. It's still right where we left. The spot where we left it. Okay. Let's try this. That's delicious. Bye everyone. The cake is delicious. Bye. Hi guys. Today we're making a cake, cheesecake, cherry cheesecake.
Redo?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Cherry.
Cherry cheesecake.
Yeah, Dick? What?
To make it, we need Oreo crumbs here, butter, whatever this is, sugar, cream, cheese, whipped cream, and of course cherries.
Yes.
First, we pour Oreos in the bowl.
Hi, say hi, Daddy.
Is it both?
Your bowl's
Declan,
empty.
So cute.
say hi. How are those crumbs, buddy? Declan, how are those crumbs?
What are they?
Declan, 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 Declan.
This is what my
Hey, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. How are those crumbs?
Declan's mess.
Yes, right at my feet, but it didn't touch my feet. Next, you add the sugar. Next, we add the. Okay, so now let it chill for 2 to 1 hours. 1, 2,
Three suspects, 2 men along with a woman who drove him away from the scene in a dark-colored SUV.
Hi, Dad.
Eat your cake.